I am Dr. C.L. Venkatarao. What is the care to the skin during summer? There are 10 tips for it. 1. You must apply sunscreen when you go out. People apply sunscreen only when they go out. But when the summer is too hot, when sun rays are entering into the house, it is better to apply sunscreen when somebody is at home also. This is a very important thing. Only when they go out, they apply. Start applying when you are at home during summer. Your skin becomes bright, free from all the problems of the summer. In summer, there may be rash, excessive sweating, prickly heat, and skin problems like fungus, and then pustules. All these things can be prevented. The sunscreen prevents the hazards of ultraviolet rays present in the sun. Number 2, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is available in the market, or you can take from the leaf of aloe vera plant. If this is applied, it prevents the skin problems and the skin becomes moist. So aloe vera gel, it protects the skin. Lot of cosmetics commercially available contain this aloe vera. Number 3, cucumber. Take the cucumber, put it in the mixie, then take out the mash. Then put this cucumber mash in a white cloth, squeeze out the juice. After taking the juice, filter the juice. For this filtered cucumber juice, add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, half cup of distilled water. Put it in a bottle that has the mechanism for spray. So put in a spray bottle and keep spraying on the face and the skin. That will have a soothing effect. Number 4, in summer, water intake shall be more. 3 to 5 liters of water is required. You can take water and put 10 pieces of watermelon and basil leaves. This watermelon and basil containing water will act as a detox water. That's also good for the skin. Number 5, coconut water. At least 2 tender coconuts. It will produce nice texture to the skin. It has got anti-aging properties, prevents wrinkles of the face and the skin, prevents the acne, pimples on the face. Number 6, omega-3 containing foods. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, soya beans, fish. These omega-3 fatty acids protects the skin during the summer. Number 7, water-rich foods to be taken. Watermelon is rich in water, cucumber, oranges, strawberries, mangoes. All of them contain not only water, plenty of antioxidants. They protect the skin. 8, yogurt. Yogurt, it maintains the moisture of the skin and makes the skin bright. Number 9, dark colored clothes have to be avoided. In summer, only cotton and linen loose clothes have to be used. Polyester and silk clothes have to be avoided. Tight clothes have to be avoided. Then full hand shirts, similarly pajama. Cover the skin as much as possible with the cotton shirt and the pajama or the pants. Number 10, use an umbrella when you go out. Wear goggles or use a hat. The hat should have a rim. The hat, what the cricket umpires they use, the similar hat should be used. It protects the skin. So this is how these 10 tips, they maintain the texture of the skin and the health of the skin. Skin will be free from any problems of bacteria, virus and fungus, and it will also be devoid of the problems of the excessive sweating. Excessive sweating in the arms and groins, there may be fungus will set in. So these 10 tips will help you to maintain a glamorous skin texture during the summer.